The day begins long before the world demands our attention. It starts here, in the quiet moments stolen from the dawn. There's a unique stillness to this hour, a gentle hush that holds the promise of a new beginning. This first light, filtering through the window, isn't just illuminating the room. It's a quiet invitation to wake up to ourselves first. The ritual is simple, almost sacred. The sound of water meeting heat, the patient pour, the rising steam carrying a familiar, comforting aroma. It's more than just a morning beverage. It's an act of grounding, a deliberate, unhurried process that says, I am here, I am present. In this small ceremony, we find a moment of warmth and clarity before the noise of the day rushes in. With a clear mind, we can turn inward. The blank page of a journal doesn't ask for perfection. It asks for honesty. It's a space to untangle the thoughts that gathered overnight, to set a single, clear intention for the hours ahead. Each checkmark, each word written, is a small testament to commitment. It's a conversation with the person we were yesterday and the person we hope to be tomorrow. Our bodies hold a quiet wisdom too. A gentle stretch is a way of listening, of reawakening. It's a physical thank you for the rest it has been given, and a preparation for the movement to come. This simple act of lengthening and breathing connects mind and muscle, creating a sense of wholeness and readiness. Then, we step outside. The first breath of morning air is a reset. The world feels different at this hour, softer, slower. Walking becomes a form of meditation. Noticing the dappled light through the leaves, the texture of the path underfoot, the subtle shift in the shadows. It's a reminder that we are part of something larger, a living, breathing world that moves at its own gentle pace. Even the final simple acts of preparation carry weight. Tying our laces is a quiet promise to ourselves, to walk forward into the day with purpose. It's a small grounding ritual that anchors the calm we've cultivated, a final moment of stillness before we step out to meet the world. And as we begin our journey, we carry this morning peace with us. The commute is no longer a mindless rush, but a mindful transition. We observe the city waking up, the interplay of light and shadow on the pavement, finding beauty in the ordinary. How we start our day defines it. By choosing intention over urgency, we don't just get through the day, we live it.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.